Hello guys, good morning. My name is Aneti Etuk and the course is HTML development. If you have been with us through the program, this is TeenCoders, and if you have been with us through the program, in our first lecture we did an introduction into HTML, and our last lecture we talked about tags, and there was this part where we tried to play with colors and fonts, and we just work it out on this particular video. Another thing again, specifically this video, we want to work on character entities. When you want to play with special characters, for example, you want to use let me start here, I'll delete it. You want to use this character on your particular on a code, or you want to use the greater than a particular code. So how do you use special characters? By special characters, what I mean by special characters, we're talking about things like less than sign, we're talking about greater than sign, we're talking about ampersand, we're talking about quotation mark. Let's say we want to use apostrophe, then we want a space. So these are special characters. You can call them special characters, or we call them character entities. So that's what we'll be looking at in this section. But first, let us work with a little continuation into what we did in the last section, which is attributes. Now we did explain that this is a tag. This is a tag. Then tags can also have attributes. So this is the attributes. So let's work with fonts. Let's run this to see. Okay, so this is our website. We want to change some things. We want this to be the thank you. Okay, let's say we want my HTML to be red. So this is what we want my HTML to be red. Call font. This is the tag. Now it has the attribute. You say you just give a space and you type the attributes. Let's say color. Let's say the quotation mark. Let's say red. Then my HTML website. Does it fonts? Because we hit the save button and then we run it again. So we have my first HTML website. Now it is red. If we want to also increase the size, let's say we want to increase the size. Another attribute for font is size. Size equal to, let's say, 50. We save it and then we run it again. You can see the difference between this one and this one. So that is it. So it's more on colors. Okay, more on attributes. Sorry. Now let's work on. We want to add something. Let's add a line of code for attributes. Now I want to work with character entities. So let's break this now. Okay, let's add a paragraph. Let's add a paragraph. Greater than 45. Okay. So if we run this, save it, and then run it on Google Chrome, how will we explain to the class that 50 is greater than 45? So you can see that it did not come out clearly. So the best way to use character entities is to do it this way. The formula the formula is you use an ampersand first. Use an ampersand first, then the name, abbreviated name of the character entity, and then the semicolon. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So if we use that method, instead of having this greater than sign, so in that case, that means this is equal to, and the less than sign is LT, we have semicolon. This one is and GT for greater than and a half. That. This one is and then we have the ampersand, and we have greater than. For the quotation mark, we have UOT, and then for the last one, which is apostrophe, we have and US and this. Now if you want a space, non-breaking space, as a non-breaking space, or when we have ESP. Okay, so these are the character entities. So let's say we want to put the greater than sign. So something is add. I'm going to copy this text, copy it, and then paste it. So this is use and greater than, and then we use this. Okay. We save it, and then now you see the difference between the two. Difference is not showing very much, but when you keep, let's use another one. I want to add a quotation. Let's assume this is a quote. So we want this to be a quote, and then let's get it to be a quote. We want it. Okay. So now the difference may not be much, but it's just good that we notice this and we know how to use them in our different applications. Okay, thank you very much. In the next section, we'll be talking about background and colors.